What is going on YouTube? It's your boy Dollar Mike back at it again with another video. Happy 2022 to everybody out there. Congratulations, we made it. Either way, you guys already know what time it is. It's time for some stock picks of 2022. This is pretty much the second day, I believe. We're the second day out. Second day out of 2022 right now. So of course, the best way to start off is with pretty much some of my favorite stocks going into 2022. Hopefully they perform, we'll find out, and I'll go over 6 of them in today's video. If I can't cover all 6 in today's video, then I'll make a part 2 for the video. It'll also be coming later this week, no problems there. Either way, we're gonna get right into it, so let's not waste any more time. Let's go. Don't know who I am. I make videos talking all about personal finance here on YouTube. So that means saving money, budgeting your money, investing your money, credit cards. It's all covered right here on the channel. So if you're interested in stuff like that, make sure you hit that like button and hit that subscribe button to see more stuff like it. And let's not waste any more time. Let's jump into the first stock. And the first stock is one of my favorite stocks. I talked about it all last year, and I'm probably going to talk about it all this year. That stock is Tesla. There should be no surprise here when it comes to Tesla. I've been talking about Tesla all of 2021, and I'm pretty sure 2022 will be no different. Tesla is up over 50% or nearly 50% on the year of 2021. Personally, I'm up over 96% on Tesla with the shares that I have in my portfolio. The vehicle delivery numbers just came out. 87% increase on those. Overall, Tesla pretty much has no debt because they've been paying down that debt all of 2021 and previously. So it's pretty much inflation proof when it comes to debt. If they have to take a great hit because of this whole inflation, this whole Omicron fears that we have in the market right now, they'll be fine because they don't have anything to worry about. They don't owe anybody any money. They're still pushing to become more than a car brand. And in my personal opinion, they've been more than a car brand for a long time now. Either way, they're pushing into that energy sector. So that'll be exciting to see in 2022 with all their solar panels and other solar products that they have coming to the market, and that's already on the market as well. On top of that, when it comes to the competition, of course, everybody's following behind Tesla. It only makes perfect sense. That's honestly great because that's more electric cars on the road, overall helping the planet Earth and providing us with a better product because it's more competition. If Nissan or Toyota comes out and makes a better electric car than Tesla, which I mean it's possible, but it's unlikely at this very point in time. If they do come out and do that though, then obviously that would inspire Tesla to make an even better car than them, overall providing us, the consumer, with the best possible product, which of course we all win in that sense. And of course we'll probably also get cheaper prices as well because they'll try to be in competition with each other to provide the cheaper price, therefore giving us the best deal. Either way, on top of all that, Tesla is still leagues beyond the competition regardless with their battery tech and also their charging network. I don't know. I've seen other charging cars, obviously. I've seen other electric cars on the road. Obviously, the Ford has the new Mustang Mach-E. We got the new Lexus coming soon. Actually, Toyota just launched their whole brand of electric vehicles by 2030, which is pretty cool. And of course, other electric vehicles are already out, like the Porsche Taycan, stuff like that. But regardless, I haven't really seen any places to charge these compared to what Tesla already has to offer with Tesla's entire charging network. Obviously, we just have to wait and see. These charging networks aren't something you can just build overnight, but it is great to see that Tesla is still on top when it comes to that, and I'm sure they'll stay on top in the near future. We'll also have to wait and see if Tesla actually offers the ability for other electric cars to use their own charges. I doubt it right now because of how hard it is to go to some places and Tesla chargers are there, but we'll just have to see. We'll just have to wait and see how everything plans out. Either way, Tesla stock for 2022, I 100% believe in it. Right now it's sitting at a little bit over $1,000 a share. I personally think it's going to be a great time to get into it around the $800, $900 range. I think that's great support levels around there. So if you see Tesla around that $800, $900 range, definitely grab some shares. I'm going to be grabbing some myself. Obviously, that is not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. I simply do this for fun inside of my bedroom, and that's pretty much that. So if you're interested in Tesla stock for 2022, I think it'll do pretty well. I may be completely wrong, or I may be completely right. We'll just have to wait and see as 2021 or 2022 goes forward. So we'll have to wait and see. Either way, there you guys go on my first stock pick, which is Tesla. My second stock pick has been lagging all year when it comes to the year of 2021. They did not perform pretty much. They didn't do pretty much anything in 2021 except for a whole bunch of behind the scenes stuff. As far as the stock price though, it did not move in 2021, and I hope that to change in 2022. That stock pick is Amazon. Currently, Amazon stock price is only up 2% on the year of 2021 pretty much, and overall their stock price right now is sitting at a little bit over $3,300, probably one of the most expensive stocks that you'll ever buy in your lifetime. Maybe you'll buy some Berkshire Hathaway one day. I don't know, but let me know down in the comment section below. Either way, with Amazon right now, like I said before, it's up over $3,300 a share right now. Amazon has been doing a lot of behind the scenes stuff. It's not like Amazon just magically became a bad company in 2021. the stock price simply didn't move. I've been consolidating Amazon stock all year long on my public portfolio. It's not sitting on my Robinhood portfolio currently, but on public, I've been consolidating Amazon. I have nearly a third of a share right now, so about $1,000 worth of Amazon, and I plan to buy even more in 2022, and I also expect Amazon to perform pretty well in 2022. I say that because of AWS, or Amazon Web Services. That is pretty much their cloud provider, their cloud services platform, and they have great margins on that, something around 30% margins on their cloud service platform. Obviously, they use that cloud service platform for a whole bunch of different things: cybersecurity, they use it for advertising, they use it to go ahead and have people get on those cloud providers so they can support their own companies and stuff like that. So honestly, AWS is used by a lot. You can go online and check it all out, but there are great margins on that right now, and I'm expecting for it to be even better in 2022. And as I mentioned, their ad business, Amazon's ad business, is up over 50% year over year return on that. So great stuff there, and it makes a lot of sense why Microsoft went out of their way to go and buy an ad business from AT&T. So they might want a piece of that pie since Amazon's making so much money from it, and I see that as a positive thing in 2022. Obviously, people with ads, a lot more people are getting online. They're doing a lot more business stuff online and everything like that. Online is just the natural future of things. We've obviously seen that since the year 2000 pretty much, and even more things going forward with the metaverse. Obviously, talks like that, cryptocurrency, obviously that's all online. Everything is just online in general. So of course, an ad business makes a lot of sense, especially an online ad business. Like I said, Microsoft just bought their own. I mentioned it a couple of videos back, and this makes a lot of sense in 2022. So I'll be excited to see what Amazon does in 2022. On top of that, you guys already know Amazon is just Amazon. They own plenty of different things that I don't have enough time in one video to talk about, but regardless, nothing has changed when it comes to their business. Obviously, I believe Jeff Bezos stepped down, but that doesn't change the whole aspect of what Amazon is regardless. Either way, we'll see what happens in 2022. I'll be buying some shares of it, and that'll be that. The third stock pick that I want to mention today in my 2022 stock picks is a stock that I pretty much feel will never die. Maybe in the long term it'll die, but in the short term I see only going up with this stock. I believe the stock barely ever has any dips because we consistently reach all-time highs, and that stock is Apple. Over the past year, Apple stock is up a little bit over 30% on the year. I'm up nearly 40% on the year with my shares in Apple, and currently I have tons of different Apple products already sitting around me. I love this brand, and I'm pretty sure a lot of other people do, and they consistently buy their products and services. There's not too much to say about Apple. I mean, I have tons of products sitting right around me. I got my Apple Magic keyboard. I got this Apple Watch Series 6, Series 7, one of the two. I got two AirPods. I got the AirPods Generation 3, AirPods Generation 1. We got the Apple Magic mouse right here. We got the iPad right there, or iPad mini or whatever. We got the iPhone, and we also have the Apple Mac mini. And that's just me in particular. Every single time I actually go and buy Apple products, I go ahead and buy more Apple stock because I literally believe in this company so much that I invest a lot of money into their products. So it makes a lot of sense. If you're going to buy Apple products, or really anybody's products, and you really believe in the company, definitely make sure you're invested in their stock if it's public. Of course, for 2022 and beyond, I expect Apple to be doing even more. They're going to be into that augmented reality space with the metaverse. They're going to be into that virtual reality space with the metaverse, possibly with their glasses that they could be working on. Obviously, we still have talks going on with this Apple electric car that's supposed to come out within the next couple of years. And on top of that, Apple has also gotten into the chip game like AMD and NVIDIA. So Apple has their own chipset, the M1 processor, which is doing pretty well, and it's also leagues better than any other chip in any other smartphone. So they pretty much had the best chipset when it comes to a processor in their smartphone when you compare it to Android. So that's amazing as well. You can say what you want about Android. I love Apple. I love Google and Apple. It's no big deal there. I personally use iPhone, but I'm not against Android or anything like that. I just like iPhone more for what I need for myself. Either way, you can't argue with that. That chipset is insane. On top of that, they're looking into 5G modems as well, with the whole 5G push going on in the entire industry. So Apple has a lot to offer in 2022 and beyond. And honestly, I don't even know when to buy this stock. I really try to figure this out all the time. I recommend trying to buy it on every single dip you can. But like I said before, Apple consistently hits all-time highs like it's nothing, and it just has no place to go but up, it seems like, in the long term. So we'll see how everything plays out. I think it's pushing nearly a $3 trillion market cap, which is absolutely insane. A $3 trillion company. My mind can't fathom how much money that actually is. And let me know if you can down in the comment section. I'm still trying to juggle 100 million or 500 million or whatever. So 3 trillion is absolutely insane. We'll see how Apple does in 2022, but it is one of my stock picks going forward. Right now, my raw video is pushing a little bit over 21 minutes, so I want to go ahead and cut this video short right here. I have 3 more stocks to mention to you guys, and I'm going to follow up with those 3 stocks later this week, so definitely make sure you like to the channel and subscribe, and we'll get into that in a couple of seconds. A couple of seconds for me, about a day, maybe 2 days at most for you, but on top of that, we'll have other content in between. We're going to be talking about some dividend stocks, all that kind of good stuff. So either way, stay locked in, like the video, subscribe. We got more content coming this very week. So thank you guys for watching. As always, definitely check out those links down below. Those links down below will get you tons of free stocks in the stock market right now. Robinhood, you're going to get a free stock. M1 Finance, you're going to get a free $50 to go towards your portfolio. I think Public, you're going to get a free stock. Webull, you're going to get 2 free stocks. All that kind of good stuff linked down below, all for free, all for you. Either way, that's all I got for this video. We're going to follow up with a part 2 very soon. So yeah, sit back, relax. It's coming right now. I'm out. Take care of yourselves. Dollar Mike. Peace.